finally Kriti and I meet in person, सालों बाद. Thank God. I was just telling Kriti, I've forgotten how to do interviews. Like
You've
this.
forgotten how to do interviews?
Yeah, man.
I just feel odd in these interviews now. Like,
Yeah,
I'm just
same
so
here, it's
used to
odd.
wearing pajamas.
And just a nice
and
top.
Just a nice top. This is what COVID has done to us.
घर. Let's feel like घर पे है हम.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are coming back to हम दो हमारे दो. पहले तो is it okay if I say कि ट्रेलर देख के मुझे लगा this film is starring Ratna Pathak and Paresh Rawal.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Where-
And you guys are character artists.
We're secondary actors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels
It is like that.
It is like that.
That's
Yes,
okay.
guys, if you have seen the trailer,
Yeah.
it is like that. They are the star of the show.
They are, absolutely. The film is about them.
They are so cute.
They're adorable. And their equation and their romance. And honestly, I was talking to someone else also right now. Like, we've seen like young actor,
Yeah.
actress, romance and blah, blah, blah. I've seen all that so many times. This is what interests me. And this is like their equation and their chemistry and their romance is what like...
So cute.
Like, I go like, oh. Yeah. It's nice to learn from their experiences, to talk to them and what they feel. Also, how they feel about today's cinema, or you know how they are approaching the scene and things that they are doing, and they're so enthused about each and every scene. Like after working for so many years, also you know that same
passion.
excitement is still there,
Passion is still
which is great. And you know when they improvise, when they their subtle reactions, which are like so funny that you crack up in between the scene. Ratna ma'am, I've been a fan of since Sarabhai, and her comic timing and her subtle expressions that just make you crack.
Yeah.
So in this, I feel like that side of hers is coming back again, which is so exciting to see.
And you know, comedy is, we all know, it's much more difficult than
It is.
anything else. So when you are doing something like this, what is the biggest fear?
I have fun. If you're not having fun while you're doing a funny scene or a comedy scene, it's gonna show. So I feel the idea is to have fun while you do it, and the idea is to play off each other, because I feel like in comedy, the more you bounce off each other, the better the reactions are, the better the timings are. So yeah, it is important to have good co-actors. That stresses me. If I don't have a good co-actor, then the comedy is going to fall flat, because I can't make you laugh alone. It has to be a combination of people.
But tell me
If
one
I
thing.
crack a joke and you don't react to it, it's not a joke anymore.
Yeah.
So
Then popat.
yeah.
But have you ever had co-actors like that?
I've faced actors who have been a little more selfish when they perform, where it's they are performing for themselves and it's not about the scene so much, and you realize that when it's their back shot and it's your main shot and it's their back shot, and you realize when the energy drops that, oh, okay.
And it's so difficult to...
And there are some actors who in their take do something else and in your take do something else. It's just, it happens sometimes.
So what
There
do you
are
do?
some actors, thankfully very few from now at least. There are some, but I think then it kind of always comes back to you at some point.
Ah,
You
okay.
have to then play the game.
Okay, about Rajkumar, you know, being
Yeah.
the co-actor, you have worked with him before, and now again, how is he as a co-actor and behind the scene? What is he like to work with?
He is one of the most helpful co-actors, I would say. He is complete opposite of what I was talking. He is very much like me in that sense, because I'm sometimes my best in my back shot.
Ah.
Yeah, which is annoying for me. He's someone who goes with the flow, who is very collaborative as an actor. And as a person also, he's a lovely human being. He's someone who
He's so
I
down to
know
earth, yeah.
he's down to earth. He comes from a simple background. He has similar values, I would say. And I know that he genuinely wishes well.
Adi Purush is such a huge film.
Yeah.
How was it with Prabhas, like working with him? What was so different? Like, was it like, oh my God, because you know, there's so much of VFX, green screen. What was it like?
So yeah, it is very different to be shooting this film. When I just started, I was joking around with Om. I was like, you know, I'm shooting my biggest film on my smallest set, because it's a set. You know, it's not like it's all created. It's inside a studio. You know, it's not like you have like a big palace or something. No, it's going to be created. And that's, I think, the future of our industry. And it's just interesting to be learning so much because he is technologically so sound. He's a genius. I'm an actor who actually soaks in the ambience a lot, you know, where I'm shooting, my house, my couch, my things. You know, I would like play with the ambience and all of that. Here,
Difficult.
the ambience is not
Yeah.
really visible. It's only so much. Like when I went on the set first day, he's like, वहाँ पे वैली है, यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे एक waterfall है. I said, कहाँ? So it's just very different. But he is so clear in his vision. Like I've seen like these paintings and pictures of what it's going to actually look like, and he is like that's when we realize, my God, what we're doing is something very huge. It is very different from anything I have done, and I think, I mean, we're all like so already proud of what is being made. I'm almost towards my last leg of it, which is going to be this October, which is what I'm going to hopefully finish. But it's been an amazing experience, and
But-
working with Prabhas
Yeah.
and Saif both, you know, I've had
Because
the
Prabhas
opportunity.
has a experience in this. Bahubali was like this only. You know?
Yeah, he's so used to it. He's like, I know. Like, I think even Saif, Tanaji has had,
Yes.
he's had that
Yes.
experience with, you know, they both have experienced it. It's my first time. But I mean, yeah, it's just great. And both of them are just really amazing to work with. Very, very grounded, rooted. There is absolutely no airs about being who they are, and very helpful in general. And it's just a very nice vibe on the set. Yeah.
But is he like this? Like he was so quiet. उसको बात कराने के लिए I was like, बात करो.
No,
So
I think
quiet.
he is. I believe he takes time to open up. Somehow with me he didn't. I mean, maybe I'm chatty, that's why. No, his first hi was very shy, like extreme. It was like, hello, and then it was quiet, and then I was like, oh, this is what people say. But then the moment I sat with him and we started talking about, because it's a bilingual, I'm supposed to be also saying Telugu lines. And so he's talking in Hindi also, and I'm talking in Telugu. Obviously, he cracks up when I talk in Telugu. So,
Any other film that have been very, that's coming up, which has been very close to your heart?
thankfully, Touchwood, I've completed 3 films in the pandemic. But all 3 are like fully completed. Bachchan Pandey, I've started the dubbing of it.
God, that look. Listen.
Yeah.
How did
It's
you react
insane.
when you saw Akshay in that look?
So my first reaction to that, the eye was like, oh my God, okay. But then as we kept shooting, I was like, you know, it is.
You get used to it.
I got used to it. It didn't shock me as much, obviously, but I think it is a killer look, and I think he is looking so good in the character that he's playing. And this stubble kind of really suits him. I feel he should keep it for a few more films.
Very hot he looks. I tell you.
Yeah, but
Yes.
it's a very, like, throughout the film, like it just, like, you'll remember this look of his.
Yeah.
It's that.
Yes.
Yeah. So I've started dubbing for that. That is, we've announced that it's coming in March. Hopefully when theatres are opening and people start normalizing it.
I wish this film was coming in theaters, yeah?
I know, it is a family entertainer. It is one of
Yeah.
those kind of films. It's just, like, theatres haven't actually opened up
When this
properly.
happened.
Yeah, properly. And also when, I mean,
Yeah.
obviously when it was decided, it was still like shut.
Thank you so much, Kriti. हमने इतनी बातें कर ली after so long.
It was really good, na?
Yes,
Sitting
just
on a
on a
couch
couch
and
and
actually,
doing it.
yeah. Though I still miss my PJs, but yeah, very nice.